Hello and welcome. Right. So we have the sixth question in the 100 Average Integration question series that we are solving. And I'm so excited about this question today, right? So we have a question that we are going to be using our integration by part approach again to solve, right? And we have a question: integrate x exponential to the power of 3x dx, right? So yeah, let's get straight into it. So I'm just gonna pick my pen, and here we have integrate x exponential 3x dx. Right, so by our integration by part rule, we know that integral of u, right, dv is equals to uv minus integral of v du. Right, so of course, to know which one will be our u and which one will be our v in our question, we'll come here and use our idea of a principle called LIAT. Right, so if your algebraic function comes before your exponential function, your algebraic function will be taken as your u. So it means in this case, our u now has to be x, and our dv now has to be exponential 3x dx. Right, so I'm just going to find du dx. So if I differentiate that, I'm going to get 1, right? Then to get my v here, I'll integrate both sides. So integrating both sides, I'm going to get that v equals, if I integrate this, I'm going to get exponential 3x over 3. Don't forget, the idea is if you integrate exponential ax, you get exponential ax over a. And that is the idea that I used here. So substituting that back, I'm going to get integral of x exponential 3x dx, the original integral, equals to u, which is x, and v, which is exponential 3x over 3, minus the integral of v, which is exponential 3x over 3, and du. So if I cross multiply from here, right, my du will be equals to dx, right? So I'm just going to put dx. So this becomes x exponential 3x over 3 minus, I can bring out the 3, right? 1 over 3, this is 1 over 3, right? Exponential 3x over 3 is the same as 1 over 3 exponential 3x. That is 1/3 of exponential 3x. So I'm going to bring out the 1 over 3, and I have exponential 3x, the integral of this, dx. So if I do this, I have x exponential 3x over 3 minus 1 over 3. Then if I integrate this again, I'm going to get exponential 3x over 3 plus, of course, my integration constant, c. So, right, this can be simplified to x exponential 3x over 3 minus exponential 3x over 9 plus c. Of course, you can do your normal factorization, and I'm just going to do that, right? So I'm going to bring out exponential 3x over 3, and I'm going to be left with this guy will be just x now, minus this will be 1 over 3, right? Plus c. But I can easily look for my LCM, right? Or in fact, yeah, you can look for your LCM, and at the end of the day, this becomes something like exponential 3x over 3 into, then this becomes 3x minus 1 over 3 plus c. And I can bring out this so that it becomes exponential 3x over 9 into 3x minus 1. I had to take time to simplify that. I know that we can actually, just bring out 1 over 9 from here and do that, but I wanted to make sure that we have, a thorough simplification, so to say. So if you've learned something great in this video today, I would love you to drop it in the comment section. If you have questions that you want us to solve, I would love you to drop it in the comment section. You can take a picture, send to us, and I'm going to be attaching our emails now to some of our videos. So if you have questions, you can always send them to our mails. We'll take a look at them, and we can easily tag you when we have those videos up. So I hope you learned something great, and I hope to see you on our next video. Thank you.